15 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So let's substitute in the TSA to get the area of it. So here we get, so L is 15 into 12 plus BH 12 into 5 plus LH, so 15 into 5, so 2 into, let's multiply. So here we get is 660 and 12 plus 6, 18, so 1800, so 180, so it's 60 plus 75. So when we add these all the numbers, we get 240 plus 60, that is 350. So 350 we'll get is 630 centimeters square. So total surface area of this, total surface area for a smaller box is, we got 630 centimeters square. So because we have substituted these all the values and multiplied, and 15 into 12, 12 into 5, 15 into 5, all we multiplied, 2 into 350 centimeters. So we got 630 centimeters square. So let's find out the 5% extra cardboard is required for this also. So total area required for the small boxes, total area of cardboard is required is 630 centimeters plus 5% extra we need, 5% extra of 630. So 630 plus 5 by 100 into 630. So let's cancel this both. So that is 630 plus 1 by 2, 63 by 2. So 630 plus this is 31.5. We'll get after division, we'll get 661.5 centimeters square. We get all so together. So 661.5 centimeters we got. So total, but this is for one box. We need for 250 boxes. So for 250 boxes, it is, we need to multiply 661.5 into 250. We get 1,65,375 centimeters square. Centimeters square we get. So this is the for smaller. Larger we got is, for larger boxes we got is 3,80,625 centimeters square. For a smaller boxes, totally for 250 boxes each we discussed. So this is for smaller boxes 1,65,675 centimeters square area, centimeters square. So total area, let us find out. Total area is required is, this is smaller and larger boxes, the bigger or larger, larger plus smaller we get is, the larger is here 3,80,625 plus 1,65,375. So totally we will get 000. So 5,46,000 centimeters square. 5,46,000 centimeters square we got. So by adding this all the total area. So first larger and smaller. So but it is given in the question for every 1,000 centimeters square 4 rupees cost. So total cost we need to find out. So it is for 1,000 centimeters square it is 4 rupees, and we have 5,46,000 centimeters square. So how much cost we need to find out? So let's do the cost multiplication. So 5,46,000 into 4 by 1,000. So these two zeros get cancelled. Sorry, three zeros get cancelled. 546 into 4. So after multiplication we'll be getting 2184 rupees. So for the larger and smaller boxes, after adding the sum of the cardboard of 5% and the total cost, then we multiplied by the 4 rupees per 1000 centimeters square, 4 rupees we calculated. We got 2184 rupees required to do all these things. So let's go to the next concept. The diameter of a road roller is 84 centimeters and its length is 120 centimeters. If it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground, find the area of a playground in meters square. So let's recall. The diameter of a road roller is 84 centimeters and its length is 120 centimeters, and it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. So find the area of a playground in meters square. So we got here a roller. It is a roller. It's in the shape of cylinder. The diameter of road roller is given. The diameter of road roller is 84 centimeters. So diameter is 84 centimeters. So its radius will be half of it. So 42 centimeters. So radius of this road roller is 42 centimeters. Let's find out the height of this. It's given 120 centimeters. Height is equals to 120 centimeters. So we need to find out the area, how much it is. We need to find out how much area it's row on a playground if it is taken for 500 complete revolutions. For one revolution, if it is one revolution, for one revolution it is taking how much we will find out. Then later we can find out for 500 revolutions. So for one revolution means the roller, it is in the shape of cylinder. If we start a roller and we complete one round of it, and we get, it's the circumference of that circle, because road roller is in the shape of circle. Its base in the shape of circle. So circle, one round if we complete, it's nothing but circumference, perimeter. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So let's find out the 2 pi r for this roller, and then we'll get one revolution for it. So for that one revolution, we'll find out 500 revolutions, and then we can find out what is the area of playground. So we need to find out. So we need to find out the playground. What is the area of the playground? To find out the area of the playground, we need one revolution to make the cylinder, that is a roller. So to make one revolution, it takes, to make the one revolution, so we need to take the curved surface area of the cylinder, because roller is taken. So we roll it for once. So it's a totally curved surface area. It's 2 pi r h. We need to take 2 pi r h formula to take one revolution of the road roller. So we have taken cylinder and we rolled it. So totally it is one revolution taken on surface of it, not for the bases. So we remove the bases of it, cylinder, and we get only the curved surface area of the cylinder. So let us use the curved surface area of the cylinder to make one revolution, to get the one revolution area. So curved surface area of cylinder is CSA is equals to 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h. We know the radius of cylinder here. We got roller. We got the 42 centimeters. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 42. So h is below. height or length of this cylinder, height or length of this roller is 120 centimeters. So let's simplify this one. So 7 table here, it cancels by 6 times. We get 2 into 22, 44 is into 720. So we get, so after multiplication we'll be getting 31680, that is 31,680 centimeters square. So here this is for one revolution. This is for one revolution we got. So we need to do for 500 revolutions. So for one revolution, it is 31,680 centimeters square. So for 500 revolutions we need to find out. So for 500 revolutions we need to find out, that is 500 into 31,680. So we get So we get 1,58,40,000 centimeters square. So after multiplication, it is 1,58,40,000 centimeters square we got. So we need to change this centimeter square into meter square. So because the area of the playground should be taken in meter square. So let's find out this centimeter square into meter square. The conversion of the units. So we have learned in previous classes about it. 1584. There are 2 zeros and one more 2 zeros. Centimeter into centimeter. The centimeters we need to change into meters. So that is 1584.0000, and this centimeter by 100 meters. So because 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meters, so 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. That's the reason we have divided with 100. So this is also 1 by 100. So we'll get meters, this one. So 1584. So that is 1,58,40,000. So 2 zeros, 2 zeros, and the denominator will be getting 2 zeros and 2 zeros. So let's cancel this. So it will be, because here we have taken 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. This centimeter is changed into meters. So 1 by 100 we need to do. So 1 by 100 meters, 1 by 100 meters. So meter into meter, meter square we'll get. So similar manner, we cancel these 4 zeros. We get 1584 meter square. So the area of the playground is 1584 meter square. So let's go to the next concept.